It's day one, Walser Week of Giving. We are here at the Feed My Starving Children facility in Eagan. We have over 120 Walser employees, their friends and family coming together to pack some meals and do some good.
Day 2 of Week of Giving has brought us to Simpson Housing Services in Minneapolis, where we're providing a home-cooked meal. Simpson Housing Services supports people experiencing homelessness and that transition to housing.
We're on day 3 of Walser's second annual Week of Giving. And today, we're gonna go clean up the side of a highway. Let's go.
We are back for day 4 of Walser's Week of Giving. Today we are at Veep in Bloomington. Veep provides food support and social services for people in the community, and they don't turn anyone away. So we are excited to be here to support with food packing. We are here today for day 4, part 2 of Walser's Week of Giving. We're here at Elpis Enterprises in St. Paul. Today we are here to support them and their incredibly talented interns as we build bird feeders. Walser is the first group they've invited in today, and we're excited to be here.
Today is day 5 of Walser's Week of Giving, and we're here at Matter in St. Louis Park, creating what they call Hope Kits that go out to community partners to support people who are in a time of transition. Let's go get into it.
Here we are for our final day of Week of Giving. We are at Bridging in Roseville. Bridging is an organization that supports people who are transitioning out of poverty and homelessness by providing them with quality home goods.
All throughout the week, we've been doing a lot of different things, everything from packing meals to Feed My Starving Children to a highway cleanup to building bird feeders. We have been all over the Twin Cities Metro.
And all of that culminates in 450 hours of Walser volunteers coming out and supporting a variety of different organizations across the Twin Cities.
With that, we're going to call it a wrap. We'll see you next year.